shaky, chilly, and makes you silly?
Yeti will show you.
Freeze this.
Chill it up, fill it up, shake, shake, shake it up, slush it down, make it in the max.
Max!
The secret is inside Chill Factor's polar chambers. The magic solution rapidly freezes your favorite drink.
Brain freeze.
The secret's in the squishy polar chambers. Using Arctic freeze technology, just squeeze your drink and it turns into a tasty frozen treat.
Slushalicious.
Now when chilling with friends, the frosty sensation never ends.
Brain freeze.
Enjoy! Ordinary fruit punch, boring sports drinks,
Then all you do is
Squeezy. Freezy.
slurp it up. And how's it feel?
Like an Arctic chill.
From an orange slush to frozen fruit punch.
Let's get slushified. It's so slushy.
Just squeeze and let loose.
Whoa, frozen.
Squeezy Freezy, a yummy lemon lime treat after school.
Totally cool.
Or freeze a refreshing pink lemonade snack and create an Arctic blast.
Now that's rad.
It's Slushalicious.
Yeti's not included. Max!